Unions representing healthcare workers have hit out at delays in paying the €1,000 COVID pandemic bonus. Figures from the HSE this evening show a little over 1 in 10 have so far received the payment. Let's talk now to our news correspondent, Zara King. So what's behind this delay then, Zara?
Well, the NMO are describing this as an absolute shambles. The HSE telling Virgin Media News this afternoon that processing those payments is complex and time-consuming. They say that 13,000 of the eligible 100,000 frontline workers have so far received the payment. The HSE telling Virgin Media News that now that the initial payments have started, they say we can expect the rest to follow quite quickly. Colette, this was meant to be a gesture of goodwill, a thank you to those who went out and worked during that lockdown on the front line, but the union representing nurses says it's been tainted by all of this.
We can't understand, to be honest, why there is such a hold-up. It's completely unacceptable. The monies have been allocated, we've been told, to the HSE and the Section 38 agencies, and what's required now is that they go ahead, implement and ensure people receive it in their next paycheck. We've heard that promise before, but it needs to be delivered upon now.
Well, Colette, the Health Minister Stephen Donnelly was launching the Safe Staffing and Emergency Departments report at the Mater Hospital earlier today, and he was asked about all of this. He said, of course, he wants to see this happen quite quickly.
No one should feel demoralised. What this is a genuine recognition by government and indeed by the people of Ireland of how extraordinary our healthcare workers have been. Part of the reason it has taken this long is because the department and the HSE has been engaging with the representative bodies and listening very carefully to what they want. And they've raised very important issues around length of time people might have been in, different workers in different clinical environments. So we wanted to get it right, and we want to make sure that everyone who is entitled to it gets it.
Well, Colette, that decision in terms of who is entitled to it, that decision is made locally by local managers. The HSE saying tonight, while we cannot say when exactly the final payment will be made, it is our intention to have the majority of eligible employees paid over the coming weeks. But Colette, this was first announced in January. It's now early June.
Right, Zara, thank you very much for that.